Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing of the iPhone 12 mini. So let's have a look. The box is very small, as you can see here, like the other boxes at the iPhone 12 series. So let's open it. Whoop. Okay, here it is. I have the black version, by the way, and it has a little touch of blue. This is how it looks like. So this is the back with the two cams, and let's remove it here. And if you turn it, we will see a little instruction card for the buttons. So the power button, as usual on the side, as well like the volume down button, the volume up button, and the button or the one here to mute the ringtone. Okay, let's remove here the little instruction, and this is how it looks like. So the font is black, of course, as well, and this is how the black version looks like. So pretty nice, but I've realized just that it's very sensible for fingerprints. Okay, now let's have a look what else is included in the box, and we will have here the charging cable or the cable to transfer data with Lightning and USB Type-C, very important, but we have no power charging adapter. So you have to buy a separate power charging adapter if you want to charge your phone, or you use an old combination between a power charging adapter and your cable but the new cable is a USB Type-C cable. So that means if you want to buy a new power charging adapter, you need one with USB Type-C. So please take care. Okay, what else is in the box? Of course, a little instruction box and it's very small. And we have here the SIM ejection tool. And then we have here some instruction and security informations in many languages. And we have this one here, like in every iPhone before the sticker. Yeah, that's it. I hope I could show you a bit what's included here in that box of the iPhone 12 mini, so that you have an impression of what you have to buy. Maybe you need also a headset and so on. It's also no more included like on the iPhones before. So yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.